Me cannot. Right. Yeah, but me can't give you anything. No, why you don't tell her? Well, why you don't tell her? 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 Why you don't tell her?
She not answer no call for me and she not take no text for me because she know what me I do.
So why you never care? Why as she have to take it up with, my friend? Listen, as she have to take it up with. As she have to take it up with, my friend. As she have to take it up with, yeah? You have to take it up with that. And you have to take, you can't cut off it, else you're not getting in trouble. You're not getting in trouble. You can't cut off the lock.
Yes, I can lock it. Take out the key.
When I talk to the people them who control the place, when I control the place. Yes. Are you have it? Are you hear one? Me ask if I hear one. Are you hear one? Is he hear one? So you have to go to the authorities. You can't come to me. You can't just come take over the man place. So you have to go to the authorities them. Go through the authorities them. Go through the authorities them. Go through the authorities them, my friend. Go through the authorities them. Yeah, go. Virgin, don't touch the lock.
Mind you put your hand for me. Mind you put your hand for me.
Man, I get in trouble. Oh, man, I get in trouble.
Put your hand for
This is a felony, you know. Hey, this is a felony, you know. This is a felony, you know, my friend. This is a, yeah, felony. Yeah, breach. Felony. This is a felony, you know. This is a felony, you know. This is a felony. This is a felony. This is a felony. It's a felony. It's a felony, my friend. This is a felony. You breach the law. I lie. Yeah. Lie.
They must go come to me.
I lie.
You
breach the law.
They must go come to me.
You breach the law. You breach the law. When I breach the law.
Like only coffee.
Nah, breach the law. You are breach the law. My boss, you get in trouble when you do this, yeah?
You're lucky.
You get in trouble. Then we can call the police. Why you not come with the police, Mister? Why you never come with the police, Mister? Why you never come with the police? Why you didn't come with the police? Why you didn't come with the police? Why you didn't come with the police? But why you didn't come with the police? Why you didn't come with the police? Why you don't bring the police? Hello, why you don't bring the police, ma'am? My video is not because. And I'm Maxi. Come with the police. So you not call the police now? Call the police now, no? Call the police. Why you not call the police now? Eh? Why you not call the police?
Video me. Do it.
Yeah, video everything we have to take place.
Do it.
Right. This is breaking our entire here. I hope you know that. This is breaking our entire. Then you're going to see when you're going to court. You're going to see. 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 You're going to see if you're breaking our entire.
All of we are going to see. Papi off. What are we going to see? Uncle, you have a mind there? Yeah, I can't prefer to get one to money.
Yeah, get yourself in trouble in my box. You didn't know that?
I'm hurt, man.
Are you hurt, sir? Alright, cool. So why never get the police? Huh? Why never bring the police with you? No police?
No, me, I deal with that.
Oh, you deal with it? You work hard. Alright. You know some my lot do you got that, right? You know some my lot is right? You know some my lot you got that, right? Alright, cool. It's a break in our end time, my friend. This is break. This is break in our end time.
When the police they want your own way, but
the police they want me?
When everything cool off.
When police want me? Which police want me?
When you cool off.
Which police you want me?
You did a hide from Leicester, but you not hide from Leicester.
Which police you want me?
You not hide from Leicester again, so you come in now.